Unlocking modals. Mastering could in passive voice. Hello, English learners. Today, we'll be delving into an intriguing topic: using passive voice with could. This is a key aspect of English language learning and a fantastic tool for refining your communication skills. By the end of this video, you'll be able to use could in passive voice like a pro. First, let's refresh our understanding of could. Could is a modal verb used to express possibility, ability, or permission in the past. For instance, 1. I could swim when I was 5. Ability in the past. 2. They could arrive later. Possibility. 3. You could use my phone. Permission. However, when we want to use could in passive constructions, things change a bit. Before we delve into using could in passive voice, let's review what the passive voice is. The passive voice is a grammatical construction where the object of an action becomes the subject of a sentence. For instance, active. John ate the apple. John, subject, apple, object. Passive. The apple was eaten by John. Apple, subject, John, agent. Now, let's combine these two concepts. When we use the modal could in the passive voice, we use the structure subject plus could plus be plus past participle of main verb. This structure can express 1. Past possibilities. It means that something was possible but didn't happen. E.g., the test could be passed, but I didn't study enough. 2. Future possibilities. It shows that something is possible in the future. E.g., the cake could be eaten after dinner. 3. Permissions or suggestions. It signifies that something is allowed or a suggestion is made. E.g., the book could be borrowed from the library. Let's do a little practice to solidify your understanding. Convert this active sentence to passive. They could finish the project on time. Answer: the project could be finished on time. And there you have it, folks. Now you have a clear understanding of how to use could in the passive voice. It's not as intimidating as it may have seemed initially, right? Keep practicing these structures, and soon, using could in the passive voice will become second nature. Thanks for joining us today, and happy learning!